AutoCAD revision sessions for civil engineering students in Liverpool JMU. Exercise 3A, creating the outer walls of a simple building. Remember that these videos are not a replacement for your tutorials with your tutor. There is no substitute for working in your tutorial with guidance from your tutor. These videos are only to be used as a revision aid. In this session, we will be starting on the journey to create a simple building from the shape we created in the previous exercise. As before, we will be using relative coordinates. However, we will also be introducing some new commands: trim, offset, and fillet. Firstly, as we did before, we will glance at the completed ground floor plan. Notice that the outline is still there. However, there's now external and internal walls added, as well as some single and double doors. The first stage in our building is to create the external walls. This is achieved using the offset command. This command is one of the most commonly used commands. It allows us to copy the line we pick and place it a specific distance away. For example, an external wall can be a certain thickness. In our building it's 290 millimeters. To create these walls, we will use the offset command and create a series of lines inside our shape. Here is our basic shape. We will now start to use offset to create our walls. The offset command has two parts. One is the item you want to be offset and the offset distance, with the other half being the side you want it to be offset. I am now going to offset the left-hand vertical line, so I type in the offset command. For the distance, type in 290. Move the mouse to the left of the line, it will be offset outside the shape. I don't want this, so I click on the right side of the line and press Enter. We now repeat this operation for each line in turn. We click inside the shape at all times. This means at the top we click below the line, on the right we click to the left, and for lines at the bottom we will click above them. We have our inner lines representing the thickness of the walls. However, they're untidy. Some of the lines don't meet, while others overlap. We can tidy these lines using the fillet command. The fillet command is used to generate curves. However, if you create a fillet with a curve value of 0, it pulls lines together or shortens them accordingly. This has the effect of neatening our walls. Type in the fillet command and press Enter. Select the two lines, one after the other, that you wish to neaten and complete the fillet command by pressing Enter. We now work our way round the shape using the fillet command to neaten our lines. Press Enter twice to re-enter the fillet command if necessary. Once this is done, we have completed our external walls. Notice how quickly the offset and fillet commands allow us to complete a number of operations in order to complete the outer walls. In our next tutorial, we'll start to place our internal walls and start to address the vital topics of layers within AutoCAD.